Step 1. Put the hook and black rubber pad into the movement shaft. Step 2. Install the movement on the clock panel. Align the movement at the 12 o'clock position the battery compartment is at 2 o'clock, and fix it with a nut. Step 3. Turn on the knob at the back of the movement to adjust the silver sub-axis to the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock positions. This step is very important. Step 4. The hour hand is aligned at the 12 o'clock position parallelly. Step 5. The minute hand is aimed at the 12 o'clock position parallelly. Step 6. Tighten the minute hand nut. Go to the next step if without this accessory. Step 7. The second hand is aligned at the 12 o'clock position for parallel installation. Insert a AA battery. Adjust the hour and minute hands by adjusting the knob to the exact place at that time, and you will get a new clock.